Hi there, my name's Richard Joel Jr. I'm an attorney located at 496 Kinderkmack Road in Wardell, New Jersey. That is Bergen County, New Jersey. Today I'm going to speak to you regarding collections. Today it's a very tough business climate with a down economy, and a lot of companies are having problems collecting from certain people that they provide services or goods to. It's important when you deal with a certain buyer of your services or customer or client to investigate their ability to pay. You should either obtain a credit report or provide a credit application to them. You would want bank information so you can verify deposits or certain references from other vendors. If they cannot provide this information, there might be a reason why. Maybe you can perform a judgment search or a Google search just to determine what their status. If a certain customer has a bunch of judgments against them, well, you don't want to be the next person holding a judgment. You can't eat a judgment, is the old saying. So you want to get paid. Don't deal with someone that just lets you chase them and you get a judgment. You can't do anything with it. Also, there might be other ways that you can structure things to increase the possibilities of being paid. Either maybe there's a certain amount held in escrow or a letter of credit. These could also be certain options for you. Remember, when you deal with someone, you should get it in writing. You might deal with someone and provide your services goods, and then they might say, hey, that's not our agreement. Well, if you have it in writing, you'll have a document that sets forth in detail the terms of the agreement. So if you do have to go to court, you will have a document that you can rely upon and present into evidence and increase your chances of a favorable decision. You should also keep good records. Sometimes a person might go, well, I called that person 10 times. Well, which days did you call on? And there's nothing to substantiate that. Maybe you should make a call, send a letter, and it's documenting that you made that call. Now you have a paper trail, and this will assist in your collection activities. Also, if you have to go to court, it will be evidence and show the efforts that you went through. When you receive a payment from a client or a customer, you should make a copy of it. This can be important later on if you have to sue and collect against that person. You will know where that person banks. So it's important to maintain good records. In that also, maybe you ship goods, you want to have an acknowledgement that's signed acknowledging that they received the goods. It might indicate that the goods that were received were in good condition. Documents become very important down the line if the case goes to court. So keep good records. Watch what you say and do. You might indicate certain things to a client or customer that, yeah, I sent you to that, but yeah, I wasn't going to charge you for it, or yeah, I know it wasn't in good condition. Maybe someone's taping you, or they're going to send you a letter and document their case against you. So be very professional in how you approach things and be mindful of what you say. Do not be buffaloed or sheepish when someone says something, because that could be used against you later on. Just conduct yourself in a simple, straightforward, business-like manner and be mindful of what you do, say, and do. Do not give mixed signals. If everything's going wrong and you see that it's going to be a court case, you should consult an attorney to review the facts with, and the attorney can discuss the facts with you and how the applicable case law will play into that. Certain situations, it might be important to know whether it's even worth suing on a certain obligation. You may have certain facts in a case where it might not really weigh in your favor, and you might be better off just not pursuing the matter. Other times you have a good case and it might be worth pursuing. But there's two aspects to each case. There'll be the liability and the damage aspect. You might have a great case, but if you can't prove the amount due, or the person's uncollectible, then it might not be worth pursuing. Or you might have a bad case, but the person's very collectible. So it has to be good facts, good collectability, then you would want to pursue in those circumstances. Like I said, you cannot eat a judgment. If you get a judgment, so what? I mean, it could be for $1 billion, but if you don't collect on it, it's really worth nothing. So it's important to document everything along the way, investigate the buyer, keep good records, and then down the line, if you have to sue, at least you will know what the facts are and if it's worth pursuing. If you have a certain business collectible or other collectible that you want to consult an attorney on, you can consult me, Richard A. Joel Jr. in Oradell, New Jersey, or another attorney that has experience in these matters. I hope this short overview of the collection process was helpful, and I hope you're able to collect on any obligation due you. Thank you and good day.